Welcome to TaraBites. This video is just going to be sharing a snack that I like. Not really taste testing something new for me, but something I love to snack on. It's not the healthiest, but it's not the worst, I suppose. There's some healthy stuff in there. But if you haven't had these chicken and biscuit crackers, them on their own are amazing. I found out about these way after the fact, but they are so good. They have ranch too, but I like the chicken and a biscuit original best. They have just like a chicken powder flavor on them. So good. But I like to dip them in spinach dip or artichoke dip. They just go so good together. Wow. Rah. All right. So this is them. Woo! Just so good. So this with some spinach dip. I can go crazy on this. And then this one that I bought is an artichoke parmesan dip. Signature Kitchen, which is like my Jewel grocery store. Both good, but the spinach dip with this cracker is where it's at. Definitely give it a try if you think it might be something you like. Definitely gets my seal of approval.